Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to fix login error while logging in app Hulu. If you are facing login error or any kind of error issues while logging to this app, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to make sure that your device is highly connected to a very strong and stable internet connection so that you won't face any kinds of error while logging. So secondly, there might be various updates in the respective app, so you need to simply update your app accordingly. So to update your app, you need to go to your Play Store or App Store. If you're an Android user, you can simply visit to your Play Store. As I am an iOS user, I would visit to my App Store, and after clicking on the App Store, there will be the option search, and you need to search the respective app Hulu. And after that, there you can see there is no any kinds of updates available. So if there will be any kind of updates available, you need to simply update your app accordingly. So as there is no any update available, you need to simply scroll it up and you need to go to your settings, and after clicking on the settings, this is the very first home page of this app, and you need to scroll it up and go to the option general. And after clicking on the option general, you need to again click on the option iPhone storage, and after clicking on the iPhone storage, there you need to search the app Hulu in where you are facing login error issues. And after finding Hulu, you need to click on the app Hulu, and there you can see the option offload app. You need to simply click on that offload app, and there will be the option reinstall app, and there you can see the option reinstall app, which is also highlighted in color blue, and you need to simply click on that, and your app will be reinstalled within a few seconds or a few minutes. And after that, you won't face any kind of login error issues while logging, and this is how you can fix the error very easily. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.